Let's start. Today our lesson is 11.5 units of time.
Okay, teacher. Why is it always like this unit?
Teacher. Hello, teacher.
Because
Me,
here,
I
good morning,
received
Umar.
Good
Me,
morning,
I
teacher.
received Ahmed.
No.
Because now we are studying about the different things. In mathematics, we have to learn all these things.
Units.
Yes,
Sure.
units means time. How do you measure the time? Today is about this. Look at there, as you can see, units of time. There are different units of times.
Yes.
In our watch, if you can observe, or if you have ever observed, the smallest unit in our watch is second. Okay?
On your joint.
Wait,
Again.
Omar, please. Second is the smallest unit. Then after second, 60 seconds makes 1 minute. Okay? Then 60 minutes makes 1 hour.
Yes, then 6.
Okay?
Then 24.
24.
Then 24 hours makes 1
1
day.
day.
Then
Then
7
7
days makes
10 days.
1 week. And
Then
then
4. 5
6
weeks.
weeks.
who will tell me?
5 weeks. 4
8
weeks.
4 weeks and 2 days.
4 weeks and 2 days, sometimes 3 days. Okay?
So
4
we
weeks.
do.
Okay, it makes 1 month. Then in 1 year, how many months are there?
12 months. 12.
12 months.
12.
And then here the last unit we will study
100
about
years.
the century. It
100
means the 100
100.
years. The period of 100 years makes 1 century.
And the
And then
period
100
of
centuries.
century makes what?
Now
Yes.
look at there. As you can see here in this table, the first one up there, it's written there 60 seconds. We will denote seconds as S, and
Okay.
which is equals to 1 minute. For minute, you can write it as MIN, minutes.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Then 60 minutes, which is equals to 1 hour. For 1 hour, you can write H, small h, to represent hours. Then 24 hours, which is equals to 1 day.
Teacher,
You can
we studied
unit-
it from maybe
Sorry?
we studied
Yes, I know. Then 7 days, which is equals to 1 week, and then 12 months, which is equals to 1 year, and then 365 days, which is equals to 1 year also, and then 100 years, which is equals to 1 century. Ahmed,
Yes.
could you please this one, which is I have highlighted it.
Yes. What?
Read it.
Read it. To
Yes.
rename units of time, multiply to rename larger units as smaller units, divide to rename smaller units as larger units.
Who will explain me? What does it mean?
what teacher?
I know.
Okay, Ahmed, tell me.
It means like if you have larger units than the unit you saw, then you multiply them. If there is smaller unit than the unit you saw, then you divide them.
Look at there, very good. If you say any unit which is larger unit and you want to convert it into smaller unit, okay, you will multiply them. Or if you saw that there is a smaller unit and you want to divide it into larger, you will divide it. You want to change into larger unit. Look at there, here are some examples. 5H. What does H means? Muhammad or Muaz. Here 5H. What does it mean?
5 hours.
5
Teacher,
hours. And you will
37 minutes and the period will end.
and you want to change, Omar, please. And you want to change into minutes. How will you do it? 5 hours. You will check in 1 hour. How many minutes?
60.
60. Then you will multiply 5 times 60, which is equals to 300. 5 times 6 is 30, and then you will add 1 0.
Okay.
Okay?
Is 1 plus 1?
Who said this? نعم.
Wait.
Ah, I know.
Please,
What's that
Amar. Now look at here. Next one. In 28 days, you will have to check how many weeks are there. These 28 days, is it a smaller unit or a bigger unit from week?
What teacher?
28 days, you will change it into weeks. So what you will do? How many days makes 1 week?
7.
7. So you will divide this by 7 and you will have number of weeks. Look at here, study these examples as well. We have 6.5 years. In 6.5 years, how many months are there? First calculate in 6 years, how many months are there? 6 times what? Just tell me in 1 year how many months?
9.
In 1 year, how many months?
12.
Sorry?
12.
12.
12
Now what you
months.
will do? 6 times 12.
Find the stuff.
Yes. Yes.
6 times 12?
60.
Tell me quickly.
72.
72. That is in 6 years, but we have 1/2 means half more year. Then in half year, how many months?
6.
6 months. 72 plus 6.
78.
78. As you can see here, in 6.5 years, there are 78 months.
Teacher,
Clear?
let's show the answer.
Yes. Now look at there. 4 years and 9 months, we will convert it into months. In 4 years, first you will have to check how many months are there. 4 times 12, which is equals to
4 times
57.
12, 48.
Sorry?
48.
4 times 12. First tell me.
48.
48. 48 plus 9, 57.
57.
There are 57 months. Now same like this here, as you can see, there are 166 minutes, 60 minutes, and we will convert it into hours.
Sure.
Yes, teacher?
What does it mean? MO.
MO means months. Okay? 160 minutes, which is equals to how many hours? So we will divide it by 60. We have a remainder 40. What?
It equals to 2
So
hours and 40 minutes.
Yes.
now you know these. Look at there. Write S for seconds, minutes,
Minutes,
MIN, hours,
hours,
day, week,
days,
or
weeks, or
months to
months.
complete.
Hassan joined.
Yes.
Okay. Now look at there. We will write it. The first question, who will read it?
I can read it.
No, Omar. Omar, read the first question. What is written there?
Okay. Baseball season lasts about 7
7 what? What do you think? If there is a baseball season, it will last about
months.
how many?
I think.
What do you think?
think
7
it's
seconds,
months.
7 minutes,
Not
Months.
months.
7 months. Right here, MO. Excellent.
Teacher,
Where is
we
it?
see your screen.
Sorry?
We saw your screen, not the book screen.
Not the book screen.
Yes. Just like this.
Now,
Good.
Nothing.
Nothing. Nothing. Nothing.
what can you see now?
I
Yes,
think
the
I
book.
can see your screen.
See the screen.
7
The
MO.
book. The book.
Oh.
Now, can you see the
7
book?
MO. Like this.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
Now, right here, MO.
Yes.
7 months.
Teacher, I can read.
what means MO?
Okay,
Teacher,
Mishari.
I can answer.
Mishari,
Teacher,
first
what is-
Mishari. Read question number 2, Mishari.
Jane exercised for 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Very good. Right here, MIN only. Minutes. Muaz, read question number 3 and tell me the answer.
The lightning flash for about 3 hours.
The lightning. What does it mean? The lightning.
3 seconds.
Yes, 3 seconds. Lightning means during a thunderstorm. Okay.
Can I solve?
Next one right here, 3 seconds. Okay, Muhammad, tell me.
Leo's code lasted.
Hour. Hello.
Leo's cold lasted for one what?
Hour.
1 hour or 1 week?
1 hour.
1 week, not 1 hour. If cold means like if you have flu or fever, something like that. Okay.
Teacher, you missed number.
Okay. The circus performed 263 dash last year. D means days. Okay. The movie was about 2 dash long.
Hour.
2 hours.
Hour.
What?
2 hours. Sorry.
Okay.
2 hours.
Hour.
It's about 2 years long.
2 years long. Muayyad is here today.
Yes, I am.
Good to see you today.
Yeah, my
Chief,
mom.
I want to answer something, please.
Okay. Muhammad. Oh, sorry. Ahmed.
Yes.
Rename each unit of time. Explain the method you used. Look at there.
Yes.
9 minutes. You will convert it into seconds. How can you convert? First check in 1
Can
minute.
I solve it? Teacher, can I
9
solve it?
Times
in
9.
1 minute.
60 seconds.
60 seconds. Then in 9 minutes, how many seconds?
540. 1, 2, 3.
9 times
540.
60.
540.
540.
540. Very good.
Teacher,
540 seconds. Yes, for 4 seconds.
teacher, I
I
can't
can
answer anything.
answer.
They're all interrupting me.
Yes.
Okay. Mishari, not Mishari, sorry. Yasin is here or no?
No. I don't know what happened to him. I'm telling to him, come. I don't know what.
Teacher, can I solve it? 96.
Okay. Look at there. In 4 days,
I see.
how many hours?
I think done.
96.
96. Very good. Right here, 96.
Why?
I can answer.
Because in 1 day, there are 24 hours.
Yeah. And 24 multiply.
Yes, very good, Mohsin. Then 2.5 years. How many months? Abdul Mohsin, you answer me.
Teacher,
Question number 9.
I did.
Question number 9. Y means year.
Yes.
Yes, Y means years.
2 years. 1 year.
2.5 years.
30. 24.
Not 24, 2.5 years.
30.
There are 30 seconds because in 2 years, 24 months, and half years, 6 more months.
30.
How?
30 seconds.
How, teacher?
Listen, in 2 years, how many months?
24
And then half years, 6 months.
Teacher, Ahmed said you, I want to answer, please.
Yes.
Okay, in
The chat.
years, how many?
Teacher, everyone raise his hand. Raise my hand now.
Yes, everyone always talks. Always.
Yeah, teacher, yes, they should
Okay,
raise
listen
their
to me.
hand.
Muhammad,
They leave.
Muhammad,
400 years equal 4,000 century.
no, 100 years makes 1 century. No, Ahmed, wait.
4 centuries.
4 centuries, very good. In 42 days, how many weeks? Kareem?
Kareem with us.
Yes,
Yes.
he was with us. Muayyad, could you please tell me? In 42 days, how many weeks?
Teacher, you see now is here. He will come.
In 42 divided by what? 7.
Yes. 6.
I don't know.
Who will
No,
tell me?
teacher. I know.
Tell me.
Teacher, I raised my hand.
And me, teacher.
And me, teacher, before everyone.
Omar, tell me.
What? 42 days will be 6.
6 weeks. Very good. Next one, 260 minutes. In 260 minutes, how many hours? Okay, Ahmed, you tell me.
Okay. 60 divided by 60.
260 divided by.
Yes. Wait, let me calculate.
Okay.
4.5 hours, maybe.
Not 4.5.
4.25.
No, 4 and 1/3.
Read the chat and you will know the answer.
4 and 1/3.
4 and the remainder is 20. Yes.
Yes, remainder is 20.
4 and
I said it.
Sorry?
I said it.
What said it?
I said the answer in the chat. See?
So you
Okay,
can write.
teacher.
You can write here 4.
Teacher, I want to answer.
Me too, teacher.
Listen to me. I'm writing here 4 whole 1/3. Mixed number. 1/3 I'm writing like this. 4 whole 1/3.
Okay, teacher, can you give me easy question?
Teacher, I want to answer.
All of them
Teacher, I
are
want to
easy.
answer.
Okay, sorry. Muaz, tell me next question. In 192 minutes, how many hours and how many minutes? Divide 192 by 60.
Hey, what happened to Ahmed?
Teacher, these are
How many hours in 192 minutes?
I will say in the chat, no problem.
3 hours. And then how many minutes?
Meeting, Habib.
Omar, please. Who will tell me how many minutes left? The remainder.
Teacher Wade is looking into my soul.
There will be 12 minutes because 180 minutes makes 3 hours and then 12 minutes left. In 300 weeks, how many years? 5 years and 40 weeks. 7 years and 5 months. How many months total? First tell me, in 1 year, how many months?
only how many months? 12.
12 months. Then 7 times 12.
What?
7 times 12.
7 times 12.
35.
84.
84. And then plus 5 months. 84 plus 5.
89.
89. So our answer is 89. In 7 years, 5 months, there are
Teacher, how
89
many?
months.
Teacher, how?
In 7 years, 84 months. Like 7 times 12. Which is equals to what? 84. Okay. And then we have 5 more months. So what you will do? 84 plus 5, which will be equals to 89. Okay. Next one. In 220 seconds, what do you think? How many minutes and how many seconds will be there?
Seconds.
Yes.
Minutes.
60 seconds makes 1 minute.
3 and 40 minutes. 3 minutes.
3 seconds. Sorry, 3 minutes and 40
3
seconds.
minutes. 40 seconds.
3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Yes.
T.
Teacher, we are done or no?
Now we have next page.
Next page.
Yes.
Teacher, I didn't finish. Wait.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Also me. Wait.
I finished. For only you.
Can you see this, my screen, my laptop screen or no?
Yes.
What?
The book screen we saw it.
Okay.
Teacher, say Ahmed.
مؤيد غوريلا.
No, Musharik.
Teacher, now we
Okay,
can
can I scroll it down now to the next page?
Yeah.
مؤيد.
Yes.
Okay. Now look at there. Who will read this paragraph?
Me, I will
Me,
read all of
teacher,
it.
me, teacher. I can't, teacher. I can.
I didn't read.
I can, teacher.
Mishari?
Passed time to find how much time. Find the passed time from.
Who will read it? What is this word? Ahmed, read it. 1 minute.
Computing elapsed time.
Elapsed time.
Yes,
Elapsed time means what?
elapsed time like estimated time.
Estimating, not estimating actually. This is the time, like you have started. I will just give you an example. You start your school in the morning at 9 and finish at 12. Then how many hours did you work for the school? 3 hours. Same like this, they will give us the start time, okay, the end time. We will find the elapsed time.
We find the duration. Duration, you mean?
Yeah, that duration.
Okay.
Okay.
Easy.
Now look at there. School begins at 8:30 a.m. A.m. means in the morning and ends at 2:45 p.m. How much time does Anna spend in the school? Who will calculate?
Teacher,
Look at here. To find how much time, find the elapsed time from 8:30 a.m. to 2:45 p.m. Count the number of hours and then the number of minutes.
6 hours.
Look.
Teacher Omar is glitched.
Look at it. From 8:30 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. there are 6 hours. Then from 2:30 p.m. to 2:45 there are 15 minutes. So Anna spent 6 hours and 15 minutes in the school.
Yeah.
Same like this here. Find the elapsed time from 2.
Teacher, why Ahmed is laughing?
I don't know. From 2 to 15. Who will find the elapsed time here?
What? Where?
Question number 17.
It's 3 hours and 15 minutes.
3 hours. Look at there. From 2:15 till 5:15 there are 3 hours. Then there will be 3 hours and 15 minutes. Right here 3h and 15 min.
Teacher, I have a question.
1 hour
Okay.
and 35 minutes.
Why?
Mister,
Yes, 1 minute. Let me ask a question from him. Then to
Mister, I
us.
have a question. Why it
Hassan,
does not
please
record?
wait first. Sorry.
It does not
Pause.
record.
Teacher,
Yes, Maz.
why 3 hours and 15 minutes? When do we
Listen
have
to me.
half here?
From 2:15
Omar, what are you eating?
till 3:15, 1 hour.
Meeting the house.
Listen to me.
Yes, kapsa.
Wait, I will show you like this.
Each 1 and 35 minutes.
Look at
1
it.
hour and 35 minutes, yes.
From 2:15 to 3:15. There will be 1
Teacher,
hour.
what is Muayyad doing?
There will be 1 hour. Then 3:15 to 4:15. How many hours? 1 more hour. Then 4:15
No, teacher, not
to
like
5:15. There will be 1 more hour. So there are 3 hours, but the time ends at 5:30.
So it will be 3 hours and 15 minutes.
Yes, these are 3 hours. And then 15
He's playing
minutes.
with the teacher. See, Ahmed.
Ahmed, what I said to you?
I didn't say anything. My brother just shoot a ball at me.
Okay, now next one, question number 18. Ahmed, tell me.
Question number 18. From
Yes.
6:55 to 8:30, 1 hour and 35 minutes.
Very good. 1 hour and 35 minutes. 1 hour and there will be 35 minutes.
Next, it's
Teacher.
Muhammad. Sorry.
teacher. 6 hours, 45
Hassan.
minutes.
Yeah.
Yes, you were asking me a question. I forgot actually.
Yeah, Mister. Now, why it does not record?
I'm recording it.
Yes, teacher.
Where you will post it?
I have recorded it. I will post it today in math group.
In
In which
Snapchat.
module?
Yes,
No,
in
it's
model.
not. No, it's Snapchat.
6 hours and 45 minutes. Question number 20. Omar.
What?
Question number 20.
This-
Solve it.
Wait. 7 hours, 10 minutes.
Wrong.
No. I mean that's no. It's how?
13 minutes. 13.
No.
9.
Hours.
Very good. 9 hours
10 minutes.
9 hours.
and 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Hassan. Question number 21.
10 to.
Teacher, I can answer a question.
Last question you
8
will answer.
hours. 8 hours.
8 hours. Very good. And how many minutes?
15.
Not 15.
14.
Not 14.
15.
13 minutes.
13.
Yes, 13
How we
minutes.
get the minute, teacher?
Listen to me.
Go.
From 10:25.
Yes,
Okay.
I know how to get to the hours. How I get the minutes?
I will tell you. This is what I am explaining you. Listen to me. From 10:25, count it 1 hour 11:25. Okay. Then 12:25. Then 1:25, 2:25, 3:25, 4:25, 5:25, and 6:25. Till 6:25, there will be 8 hours. Okay. But we have 6 hours and 38 minutes, not 25 minutes. Then from 25 till 38, there are 13 minutes left.
Oh, okay.
I can answer last question, teacher.
No,
Teacher, I can answer.
Moaz, you answer me.
It's this. It's
Starting from 3:10 p.m.
17.
Not 17.
15.
Sorry?
17 hours.
Not 17 hours. Wrong.
I mean 16 hours.
18 hours.
Not
16
18.
hours and 30 minutes.
17
18
hours.
hours and
And
13
13 minutes.
minutes.
15 minutes.
Yes, 13 minutes.
Teacher.
Say, Yasin.
Yes,
Yasin, I
teacher.
told you the meeting is now, and you say to me no.
Teacher.